Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Kia Forte, and say we want to go ahead and remove this motor. This motor does the window regulator, and say you've come to the diagnosis that it's just the motor and not the regulator portion itself, which is this whole door unit. You just remove the door panel. You can keep the glass in if you're just doing the motor. I would have the glass all the way to the bottom, or take the glass out. But either way, you just got to take these three screws out, which is a P3. They're a large screw, driver head. So to remove this window regulator motor, we just take these three screws out. And with those three screws removed, there's an electric connector here that we would undo. Then just pull this off, and that's how you remove it. And then when you want to put a new one on, you just go back in reverse. Remember that these splines here are going to go in there. They're just going to line up, and then as it lines up in the housing, it has sets there. Then you just tighten the screws back in. And so tighten all three screws and put your electric connector back on, and that is how you replace the window regulator motor on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.